You're taping already?
I'm taping already!
What did I sign up for?
Oh god, just my eyes watering dry.
Yeah.
They can't see you. Just
We are not professional. Well, I am not professional. She is.
What kind of accent is that?
I don't know. Pakistan?
No, stop it! Hello everybody, Happy New Year in March. This is my husband. What do you want to call yourself?
Husband.
This is Hazi, Timo, and he going to do my makeup today.
He used to watch my videos, but he didn't really prepare himself, so you'll see how this goes. And stop making me laugh! I'm not doing anything. I'm sweating already.
Let's get serious.
You ready? Okay. Usually you're supposed to tell the people.
This is something called primer. I'm gonna paint your face with this. I'm gonna cover it. That looks yucky.
Yeah, it squirts out, yeah.
It looks really yucky. Okay, anyway. So. I messed up your hair. No.
Your primer here.
Smells like pear. Ça sent la poire. Et là c'est bon, non?
It's good because...
No, I'm not going to empty the tube.
No.
Yeah, you turn
Okay.
white already. That's my job.
It's your job
That's
to be
my
white.
part of the
Oh my
contract.
god!
You look all white. You guys carnival soon. Okay.
Stop.
So this is how you don't do it. Faut que je montre?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, next thing we're gonna apply is Pure Light by Yves Rocher Fond de Teint foundation.
Yeah. I look like a ghost.
Don't worry,
You put...
I'm gonna darken you. Back again.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
This looks like some chalk painting on you. Okay.
Oh my god! It really looks like a mask!
It really looks like
Like a mask!
Let me see, turn around. Turn around. Some concealer.
The proof, we just opened it. I never tested it, so he will test it.
Pour les Français, un correcteur. Ok. Mais ça c'est pour le under eye. Oh my god. Is that normal that it's so light? Move away.
Sorry, it feels wet.
Yeah, of course.
Then you're
you
gonna
will
look
see
like an Indian.
Oh my
Or a
god.
North American Indian. Oh, okay. Now...
Oi.
Straight.
That's your nose? It looks like an S.
Oh my god!
No, I slipped away. What, your nose? I thought it was straight.
My nose straight is your hands at crooked.
I think I need some more.
It's kind of pulling. It's difficult not to jump. My lord.
A little bit hard to. I'm sorry to make a mess out of your face. Okay. Here's there, I find it here. Now I'm brushing out the You're taller than me, actually.
My torso.
If you're not drunk, you're getting chocolat.
Don't shake.
What?
I don't like Instagram brows. Salina, stop it. I shouldn't be laughing right now. What you do? This is...
How do you want me to concentrate
Salina,
here?
shh.
I try to not mess up mommy too much. I put this chocolat and now I'm brushing out. Je peux le dire aussi, hein? No. So this
What you using?
this is buttercup setting powder.
Orange,
I feel like
violet, violet, baby, jaune, jaune, bleu.
you look like a cookie.
Oh, Jesus.
Orange.
Don't laugh. This is serious. But it goes on your cheek.
Yeah, apparently you're all dipping it the first time. You can take some from me.
Salina, help me. Somebody help.
Okay, I'm gonna help you.
Ayla, how do I clean the mess?
Hey, Daddy, I'm
Put
gonna
it
help
above my lip,
you.
maybe. But...
I'm gonna help you, Daddy.
My word. You literally baking me right now.
Don't die now. We have to finish this video. Actually, it looks so easy in the videos, and when you do it yourself, it's like you're feeling so stupid.
Oh, this is why I didn't watch the videos, because it looks so easy. Okay.
Wait, mais il faut que je fasse sur le nez aussi.
Okay.
You look like you come from a baker store.
What? What next?
This is too white here. Well, too clean. But next, contouring.
Okay.
I would suggest. My God, the why is so large.
Why it's so large?
So-
Roll it up. The top.
I'm turning like a madman
you
to
need
the
to
bottom.
turn the top. Here.
Yeah,
So these
j'ai
are control.
compris. This is called Black Up Contouring Stick number 04. That's it.
You know how to contour?
No. I don't know how to do any makeup. Oh my God, I'm shaky. I was cutting wood this morning. So.
You were cutting wood. Very good.
You can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something. Yeah, owe me back like you owe your tax. Owe me back like 40.
Finding the videos would look way easier than this.
Oh yeah, way easier.
So how long
When
you...
I saw some videos, I was like, yeah, easy man. My foot, they're not easy at all.
Oh, that, so you thought it would take what? You thought it would take like 20 minutes or half an hour or something?
10 minutes.
10 minutes, you're right.
You do this, little powder, little thing here, eyeshadow.
You're not even an eyeshadow yet.
It's the blacks. Pay me back when you shake it like that, girl.
Top brush here.
Oh.
You see? You still seeing the line. No, I need a flat one.
The flat one works better.
Wait.
Just to back it up.
Here I have a dark spot. You see it? You see it? Can you see it?
I'm doing this so that we could blend it out if you want. It gone?
If I rub too much, I'm gonna take off your skin.
Okay. Okay, now what?
We're not getting paid for this, but here we go. Kiko, you see the reflection? Moon Dust Face Powder 01 Mysterious Pink. I don't see anything on it.
Well, try to apply it and see what happened. Where you want
Does
to put
anyone see something? I think so. Oh, yeah. Now I see.
Yeah, do.
Now let's say you
Look like you're swollen. Oh my god, you look swollen.
Can you put it all over my cheek? I'm laughing too much, so you cut on my cheekbone.
Tarina,
Oh my
what
god.
does mommy look like? She can't come from
You
a...
put the highlighter under the eyes of you say you want everything here to pop out.
owe your rent. Owe me back like it's money I lent.
Christmas blend and candy cane. I have a little round brush here. Well, round, flat. Something the same.
Okay.
Oh no, actually I could use coffee chip.
Okay.
That would look good. So coffee chip is this one. Not too loud, no?
It's Christmas.
Depends on where you put in it.
It's the Christmas
Okay.
too. I want this one.
No, attends.
Pay me back when you shake it again.
Don't move.
Oh, sorry.
You're jumping.
It's tickling with the brushes in the eye. It's feeling weird. Sasha blush, and this is the one I always use, the Perfect Wendy too, and we'll use this brush.
C'est raté. Failure.
Okay.
Okay.
C'est pas raté.
So,
And you want to try mascara or no?
C'est pas raté.
no, un mascara, c'est sur les...
This,
Oui.
yeah. No?
Oh yes, let's go for it.
Okay.
I want this.
So this is Better Than Sex by Too Faced.
I doubt very much.
Can I have the books?
The what? Yeah.
The makeup books.
Like Cookie Mouth.
Yeah, you can watch, but don't play in it too much, yeah.
Once this finish, your eyelash is gonna touch your...
And I know she'll be the death of me, at least we'll both be numb. And she'll always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come.
Lips missing.
Okay, what colors you want on my lips? Feeling tired.
What? We've just started. Okay. Stromae when he's smiling artificially.
I have to, because you're not getting it.
Come on, no!
What?
No.
Or you should have curtains.
Il faut que ça flash. J'y vais très doucement, on voit rien là. Je vais mettre un peu de couleur là.
Okay.
I have to get practice.
So you do it a second time? Hey, ok.
Attends, et là maintenant il faut que je le...
But at least we'll both be beautiful and stay forever.
Another clothes NYX product that
We do an unpacking video in between.
in unboxing. This is the next unboxing, and this is the Plump It Up. Okay, just now wait. Plump It Up. What it says?
PIU01 Angelina. You're not getting paid for that.
I know. It's taking so long.
Oh, that's gooey.
No, remember the concealer? Put it back in. And you use the flat side.
Oui, oui.
No, why are you wiping off the flat side?
Because it's looking...
No. Then you have to keep going back in.
That sounds...
What?
Okay,
That's
normal like that?
how?
Okay.
I can't see. I never use it.
Yeah, but you use in makeup all the time, so...
I didn't know what you mean by it.
Okay,
No.
stop talking. This is actually cool. I can ask her, stop talking. Okay, now close your lips, please.
Tu es jolie, maman.
Ah, don't feel obliged to make compliments anymore. Shiny, ah ben les douces. C'est vide le truc. They sell you empty boxes. NYX. NY nothing. It's not too bad, of course, here, but
Okay.
okay, c'est mieux. The eyes, no. Failure.
So,
and the,
battery going down. What was the hardest thing for you to do?
the first part, the foundation.
Foundation was the hardest. Oh, we matching. You did that on purpose.
Most difficult. No, it's the primer. It comes out really not good.
My skin.
And
So if we had to go out, you would go out with me looking like this?
of course, I love you. But
And if I said, he did my makeup.
I would go out in a place
Wait, very
where-
dark.
where it's very dark and it have nobody.
Oh God. Okay, so what do you think? He did good or he did bad? Let me zoom in. So this is the look. And
Well, you need to say it's the first time, very first time, and I have not been preparing.
And he have not prepared. He haven't watched a YouTube makeup tutorial video in like yeah. I don't know. Comment in the comment section how he did rate.
Your cheekbones really popping out.
Yeah, you literally chisel them out. You draw the line like that. You literally draw the line like that. I'm looking like you know this horror thing, the one with the circle.
Oh.
Yeah, I feel like him
I never saw it,
when my cheeks like this, because it kind of like his cheeks really coming out like. Okay, so apparently
7
I've
years.
been rendezvous. Only 7 years. 7 years ago, I asked him if we could do this video. That was when I had my first YouTube channel, and he was like,
That's not my thing, you know.
"No, you're not waiting 7 years again to do
It's
it."
not.
So yeah, this is awkward. I just never know how to end the videos actually.
Do what?
I just never know how to end the videos.
Well, just say ciao.
Ciao.
Bye.
Nice for your first time.
Oh, merci.
Yeah, you never do makeup, and
The thing I did worse was the foundation. I think it spoiled up everything.
it's not looking bad here, if you see. It's not looking that bad.
No,